My house is a mess. Clean with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cleaning my living room. So our living room's kind of a mess right now because me and my wife have been decluttering our downstairs area. And it's funny because when we try to declutter one space, it just clutters another. And so that's what you guys see right now. And so I'm going to go ahead and tidy it up. Hey, thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean. And please subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.